Wasting days trying to decipher your sales compensation performance? Exporting your commissions data just to build charts so your leadership team can begin to understand what's going on will keep you in the past, instead of acting on the real-time trends and insights that can unlock sales performance. Well, not anymore. Introducing CaptivateIQ DashBoards. Create fast, customized visualizations and dashboards from your commission data directly on our platform. Transform, sync, and unify data from any commission plan across any sales team and time period to quickly visualize performance trends and insights in cards, charts, and tables. Want to dig deeper to better understand what's going on? Apply filters across your visualizations with just a few clicks, or drill into any data point to see the underlying source of truth. Sharing actionable insights with leadership has never been easier, faster, and more actionable. Transform your sales compensation management from a tedious administrative task to a strategic advantage with CaptivateIQ, a smarter way to run commissions.